Good afternoon, Josh. Hello. So today we are going to learn how to use the abacus.
All right.
Have you ever heard of an abacus before?
No, I have not.
All right. Well, I couldn't help but notice that you know how to know your numbers and you know how to add and subtract and using objects like a ball or pennies and stuff like that. And I know that you know your facts about addition and subtraction. So I think you're now ready to advance to the next level of instruction, which is with the use of an abacus, which is a counting device. And it comes from Asia, and the one we're going to use today is a Japanese abacus, and it's separated into 5 parts, and we're going to learn how to use it today, all right?
All right.
I'm going to give you the abacus now.
Okay.
I want you to get a feel for it. Okay. What do you notice about the abacus?
There's a row of 1 bead up top and a row of 4 on the bottom.
Okay. Anything else?
There's a little bar separating them in the middle.
Okay. All right. So, you noticed a lot. I'm very proud of you. Great job noticing things.
Thank you, thank you.
So, the abacus is divided into 5 parts. And that bar in the middle, go ahead and touch that again. Remember that? That's called a separation bar.
Okay.
Right there. And starting from up here, going all the way down, that's a column.
Okay.
And there's 13 columns. Can you go ahead and count the columns for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
All right. Okay. And in each of these columns, on the bottom, below the separation bar, there are 4 beads in each column, right?
Mm-hmm.
Each on the bottom, those are known as the ones beads at the bottom, and each bead represents 1. So, right here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
All right. And on the top, the beads above the separation bar are the 5 beads, and they each represent the number 5. Okay? So if that bead right there, this one right here, is 5. 5 plus 5
is 10.
So, okay. Just keep track of that right there. Top is 5. Top beads each represent 5. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, and in each column represents a place value. So we start from the ones right here, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on and so forth all the way to trillion. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna, okay, so don't worry if you don't understand. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, really quick, I'm gonna show you how to set in clear numbers. If it's clear, there's nothing in the middle. All the beads are up or down. There's nothing touching the space bar, the separation bar. If there's something touching the separation bar, that means it's
clear.
Clear. And if there's something touching the separation bar, that means there's numbers set. Do you feel how there's beads touching it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do a quick test to see if you recognize clear and set. What's going on in the abacus?
There are some numbers set.
Okay. And then, how about now? Are there any numbers set?
Yes.
Okay. And how about now? Are there any numbers set?
No.
It's
clear.
Clear. Okay. So now we're going to set some numbers. Okay? I'm going to set a number so you can understand the concept of the places. All right. Right now, I have set the number 11. I want you to go ahead and give me this finger. There's a 1 set right here. And there's a 1 set here in the ones place. And there's a 1 set here in the tens place. So 1 here and 1 here give you the number
10. I mean 11.
11, right. If we want to do the number 10, what do you think we would do?
Move this 1 down. Clear the 1.
Very good. Go for it. Let me see you do that. That's the one closest to your right. How we use the abacus is you start from right to left.
Okay.
So the one closest to the right that's your ones, and going towards the left, you get higher. So you start with your ones, and then you go to your tens, and then you go to your hundreds, thousands, and so forth and so on to trillion. Do you think you understand?
Okay, I think I get it. Okay, yeah, I think I understand.
All right. So did you place a 10 for me? Yes, you did.
Yes.
Very good. So that's 10. That right there. I want to feel it up. That's 10. You just set a 10.
Okay.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. How can you do me the favor and set the number 22?
Yes.
Very good. Clearing it first. Very good.
Awesome.
So 22. Can you go ahead and clear it for me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Can you do me the favor and set the number 22,923?
Oh dear. It was 22,923.
Yes.
Okay. Is that right?
Let me see. 22,923. Very good. I was trying to see if you understood the concept of the 5 bead, and you did, and I'm very excited and proud of you, and it's a really great job using that 5 bead. All right, go ahead and clear your abacus.
All right.
Okay, and now we're going to set the number. We're going to set the number 5.
Just 5?
52,325.
Okay. 52,325. 52,000. Wait. Wait.
Go for it. Go ahead and clear it. Yes, very good. If you get confused, just start over again.
Okay. What was the number?
52,325.
325. Okay. Okay. I think that's it.
52,325. Very good.
All right.
Great job when you got confused clearing it. That's very good. All right, go ahead and clear it for me.
All right.
And you might have noticed by now, but in case you haven't, did you notice how there's little dents on the separation bar?
Yeah.
You might want to use those to help guide yourself. You notice how the tiny dots are each on the same line as a place. Did you notice that? See that? That's ones, tens, hundreds. You feel that? Okay. And then if you go to right here, it says APH. If you go to the P and you follow that down, this is the center of the abacus. To help you figure yourself out, that's the middle of the abacus.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, so it's all clear. We're going to try saying a few more numbers, and then we'll call it a night, alright?
Alright.
Alright, can you do me a favor and just set the number 43. Very good. Go ahead and clear it for me.
Alright.
Now I want you to set the number 55. Very good. Go ahead and clear it. Now if you could do me the favor of setting the number 15,500. Think if you want to think about it, you can think about it. Very good.
Right.
Good job recognizing the use of a 0. Very good. Go ahead and clear that. Right, if you could do me the favor and just set 300. Awesome job. All right, go ahead and clear that. And then if you could just set 1,000 for me. Very good. All right, you can go ahead and clear that. I'm going to set a number on it, and I want you to tell me what number it is, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Go for it. Good job starting from that side and making sure there's no beads over there.
Is it 3,021?
Very good. Great job identifying that. Go ahead and clear it for me.
All right.
I'm going to set another number for you. Okay.
Is it 55,219?
No.
All right, let me try it again.
Missy? 52,000. Oh, yes, it was. Sorry, I thought I couldn't see because of your fingers.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm looking at it. I'm like, no, let's look at 2. Very good job. I'm going to set one more number, and then we're going to call it a night, all right?
All right.
There you go.
$2,000.
Very good. All right. So now you have mastered setting and clearing numbers on the abacus and understanding the place values of an abacus. Just give yourself a pat on the back because you did a swell job.
Well.
And so next time we get together, we're going to learn how to add using the abacus and maybe even subtract. And that way you can do things like do math problems that you have in class using the abacus instead of having to use objects such as coins or Cheerios. And abacus where it can also help you with your money skills, or if you need a phone number and you only have your abacus on you to write it down. It's understandable. So we're going to save that for next time, alright? Great job.